What is keto flu? What are signs of keto flu? How long does it take to get over the keto flu? Guys, I get this a lot. The keto flu is not an actual flu or illness. It's a set of ketosis symptoms that might appear during the induction of a ketogenic diet when the body is adapting itself to its new diet. So they're also commonly called carbohydrate withdrawal symptoms. And the symptoms include headaches, brain fogginess, feeling lethargic, nausea, muscle cramps, and irritability. And this happens because your body is burning up the lasting glycogen stores and because ketosis has a diuretic effect, which means you're losing a lot of electrolytes and water, which you will have to replenish. So many of the symptoms can be reduced or eliminated by staying hydrated. Guys, the point here is don't give up. Don't let ketosis symptoms make you think that the keto diet is not for you. It is just a phase, and the keto flu symptoms should dissipate in 1 to 2 weeks. For some people, it can take a little bit longer to get over keto flu, especially if you are detoxing from a diet high in refined carbohydrates and sugar, as you may also experience sugar withdrawal symptoms. Just remember to stay hydrated and eat keto diet foods rich in electrolytes, mainly sodium, magnesium, and potassium. If necessary, take supplements, especially magnesium, and let me go into this in more detail. So you should aim for 4,700 milligrams of potassium a day. Keto foods rich in potassium include avocados, nuts, dark leafy greens, salmon, and mushrooms. You should also aim for 400 milligrams of magnesium a day, which is the recommended daily intake for healthy adults. Keto foods rich in magnesium include almonds and other nuts, cacao powder and dark chocolate, artichokes, fish, spinach, and salmon. You should be having about 3,000 to 5,000 milligrams of naturally occurring sodium. Remember, on a keto diet, sodium levels can drop significantly as your body uses more of it to process fat into energy. Also, there's a lot of hidden salts in carbs, so don't be afraid of salt unless you have a medical condition that restricts your sodium intake, such as kidney disease, high blood pressure, or heart problems. In these cases, talk to your doctor or healthcare professional before adding more sodium to your diet. Personally, I recommend Himalayan pink salt, and you can get it from most grocery stores.